Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm also well, and I thank you because you found time to click onto our channel. Welcome to Smart Kids. My name is Maggie, and today the video is all about what to consider when going to do your baby shopping. Remember last time I did a video on formulating a baby list, like the items that you need to buy for your baby. You already have your list, but now the thing is, what do I consider now that I'm stepping out to go and do my baby shopping? So welcome to our channel. Karibu. Thank you for the returning subscribers, and if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, as this channel is all about baby stuff, mommy talk, baby products, how to assemble baby stuff and all that. So if you're a new parent, if you're an experienced parent, you're very welcome, and yeah, let's do this together. So you already have your list, you're stepping out. What do I consider? Number one thing that you need to consider is you don't have to have a huge amount of money, because many people say, oh, how much do I need to start shopping? How much do I need to start shopping? I'll tell you, you don't need a lot of money. Just whatever you have. Don't wait until you have 20,000, you have 50,000 to do your baby shopping. Just whatever you have. Remember, I already gave you a list. I already told you the steps to follow in making the list. Just as long as you have the list with you, whatever amount you have. Like today you say, I have 100 shillings. 100 shillings can buy what in this list? It can buy this item. So let me go and buy this item. And once you buy, remember to tick on that list you have. Okay, so on the number one thing, once again, is don't wait until you have a huge amount of money. Just use whatever you have. Okay, number two, follow the list. Remember, I gave you the list, and just a recap on what we did on the list is that you are to start with the essentials, the basic must-have items for the baby. Then the next thing was the extras. The third thing was the mommy essentials, and lastly were the additions. So follow that list. Reason why you need to follow that list is because to ensure that you buy everything that you need for the baby, that you need for the mom, so that you don't leave anything out at all. So when you have your list and you're stepping out to go shop, remember to follow the list that you have, and remember to tick each item that you buy. Even on the item that was not in your list, include it in the list. Once you've already bought it, include it in the list and remember to tick. Then the third thing that you need to consider, and this one is especially to new moms. If you're a new mom, please say hi on the comment. Please, this one you really have to do. New moms, kindly avoid the 0 to 3 months or size small, size S clothing.
Here. Hi. Hi.
Why am I saying this? It is because, at times someone comes to the shop and you give them something and they say, oh, this is too big, my baby will sink into it. But you're not seeing, the need for that. The reason why I'm saying you avoid the 0 to 3 months clothing is because at times, remember, I'm an experienced mom, and at times there are things I bought. There are some clothing I bought which my baby did not even wear for a day. Reason being, they were too tiny, they were too small, even to fit a newborn. So if you buy these clothing, probably your baby might not wear, and if they will wear, probably they will wear for a week or two, and at the end of it all, you'll have to give them out, or even to give somebody, or just to keep them. So avoid the 0 to 3 months, or else what you can do, you just mix up the sizes. Actually, this is the best advice. Mix up the sizes. Do 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 9 to 12 months. The reason why you need to mix the sizes is because if the 0 to 3 months outgrows, you will have the 3 to 6. You'll have the 6 to 9, you'll have the 9 to 12, such that you don't have to keep going to the shop anytime your baby doesn't have clothing. And even to save you on the money that you keep spending all the time. So when you're doing your shopping, like for example, if you want 5 rompers, don't buy all of them 0 to 3. Either buy one size, then buy another size, like that, so that you have so many sizes for your baby to wear as they grow. Remember, these clothing, let me tell you, in a month's time they've already outgrown. So you find yourself spending a lot of money on clothing. Then the third thing that you need to consider is baby's skin is very delicate, it is very soft, and the best material that you need to consider for your baby as you're shopping is pure cotton. Okay, the reason why I'm saying pure cotton is because children's skin react differently, and at times some clothing, it is 60%, polyester and whatnot. Even if it's a mix of cotton and something, the children still end up reacting. So the best advice, kindly for the time being, if you can, buy pure cotton. Make sure it's written 100% cotton for the clothing, so that your baby doesn't have to react and their skin doesn't have, to look itchy, to look bad. At times your baby cries and you're wondering why. It is the clothing they're wearing, it is itchy, it's itching to their skin, and they can't talk and tell you. So that's another thing that you need to consider. Then the number 4 thing that you need to consider, instead of having to to dress your baby in a trouser and a top or a onesie or whatever you want, or a t-shirt, please consider doing rompers for a newborn. These children, when they were in your tummy, they used to curl themselves up and fold and all that. And the rompers give them that freedom to do so, because it covers from the head to the to the feet. Even the feet are covered, even the head, because some rompers come with a hood, so your baby is covered from head to toe. And this one actually keeps them warm. Rompers are very, very warm, because most of them you wear from head to toe. I know some that the toe is open, the toe line is open, but most of them are closed, so that your baby is warm throughout. Your baby is staying warm throughout. So this is what I'd consider, because you see, the navel is still healing. It's not purely healed. And that is why if you dress your newborn in a trouser, it might not be very good. It will be painful for the navel. The baby might cry a lot and you don't know what, but probably it's because of the trouser that your baby is wearing. So for a newborn, please consider the rompers as opposed to trousers and tops. Then the other thing that you need to consider when you're having your list and you're going to buy your baby stuff is the diapers. For the diapers, I will not tell you the best brand. And reason being, there's no best brand out there in the market. They say one man's meat is another man's poison. And why am I saying this? If you're going to buy diapers, avoid the huge, we call them jumbo here. Avoid the jumbo packs. Reason being, you'll buy a jumbo pack and then your baby reacts to it. What happens? You give it out, or you dispose it. So what the best advice is, buy small packs of different brands. Small packs of different brands. Work with all of them. Then once you find the brand that works best with your baby, then stick to it. You cannot do a huge shopping. You can even do the jumbo packs, because this one you're 100% sure that your baby and the skin does not react to this kind of diaper. So for the time being, avoid the jumbo packs. Just buy the small packs. Last but not least, even these apply also to to the soap, to the petroleum jelly, to the lotion that you're applying your baby, even to the washing soap and the Star Soft and all that. Those are, you need to also consider doing small purchases. Don't buy a huge fabric softener of this brand. Your baby might react to the same. Don't buy a certain brand of petroleum jelly in a very big pack. Your baby might react. So rather just buy the small packs and let your baby guide you onto what works best for the baby. Remember to kindly consider if this video has helped you, because you'll still have more of these videos in the next videos to come. So kindly consider subscribing, invite your friends, share this video with your friends. If it is helping you, share with them and let them also get help. Okay, so for the time being, it is bye bye. Thank you.